How to find someone's social media accounts by phone number. In today's video, I'll show you how to find someone's social media accounts just using the phone number, whether you want to reconnect with an old friend or verify a contact. These methods can help, so let's get started. First things first, most social media platforms allows you to search for users by phone number if they have linked it to the account. First, let's do Instagram. Tap on Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile, the three horizontal bars, and from there simply search for upload contacts. Tap on it, and once you've done that, simply toggle that option on, and it will allow access to your contacts. If the number is saved in your contacts, Instagram will show you connected accounts. You can do the same for Facebook as well. Simply open your Facebook app, or you can go to Facebook browser as well. Simply type in the phone number in the search bar and simply hit enter. If the person has linked their phone number to the profile, their account may appear. Now, to do the same for WhatsApp and Viber, it is really easy. Just enter their number and you will get the person directly. And that's how you can simply add or find someone's social media accounts using their phone number.